voices be heard. Out here on the islands where the palm trees sway, we're singing from Tarawa to outer shores today. Creators working hard, posting every night, but monetization ain't inside.
Government hear us, Facebook hear us too. We're building online dreams, trying to push through. Kiribati people got talent to share, but we need support to take us there.
So let Kiribati earn, let our voices turn into blessings from the work we do online.
Open up the door, we're asking you once more. Give our islands a chance to shine.
Reggae with rhythm, country soul. We were ready to reach that goal. Let Kiribati earn, oh let us earn. We got singers, dancers, teachers too. Mamas cooking local food, sharing something new. From Marken to Aurora shores, along with lines and Phoenix shores, we create with love and so much more.
To the leaders of the land, we kindly call your name. Help us speak to Facebook, let our status change. We're small but mighty, connected and strong. Let our creators carry our culture along.
So let Kiribati earn, let our voices turn into blessings from the work we do online.
Open up the door, we're asking you once more. Give our islands a chance to shine.
Reggae rhythm, country soul.
We're ready to reach that
Oh, let Kiribati earn, oh let us earn. Oh Facebook family, hear our plea. Kiribati wants equality, a platform fair for all to grow, from the rising sun to the ocean glow.
Government of Kiribati, stand tall with us. Help us make this pathway just. We got dreams that reach across the sea. Let our creators live freely.
Te mari, te rai, au te tabo moa upon us all. Let Kiribati earn, let our voices turn into blessings from the work we do online.
We're knocking on the gate, we don't wanna wait. It's our moment, our time to shine.
Reggae beat, country heart. This is where our future starts. Let Kiribati earn, let our nation earn. Rise up, Kiribati, from the islands to the world. Hear our song, hear our call. Let us earn once and for all.